Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying where Ctrl+Shift+QQ is processed. That tells you how to disable it. Look at the application and OS level. Chrome and some desktops use this to quit, others map it in a hotkey daemon. Once you know the host, make sure you have the necessary account rights and your keyboard layout noted. This avoids breaking other shortcuts. Now, move directly to the configuration tool for that host. You will edit or remove the binding there. You now disable the binding using the host's shortcut manager. In Chrome, open the Shortcuts page and clear or reassign Ctrl+Shift+Q. In KDE or GNOME, locate the Quit or Session shortcut and remove it. If Auto Hotkey or a third-party tool created the mapping, open its script or settings and delete or comment out the line. Once done, save changes and restart the affected app or reload the desktop hotkey service so the new mapping You finish by verifying the shortcut is gone. Reboot or relaunch apps, then press Ctrl+Shift+QQ to confirm nothing happens. If the shortcut persists, make sure no global hotkey service or startup script reintroduces it. Disable them briefly to isolate the source. Use a key event viewer or log to see which process receives the key press. That tells you where to change it. If all else fails, restore defaults on the desktop environment and reapply only intended customizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.